Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from your Zengo wallet. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you already downloaded the Zengo wallet. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this dashboard. Over here, you can see the arrow icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now select the sell option. From here, choose your preferred option. I'll choose Coinify for now. In order to withdraw money, you need to sell the cryptocurrency that you have in your account. In this page, you can mention the amount of crypto that you want to sell. Here, Bitcoin is selected right now. If you tap on it, you'll see the option of crypto that you can sell. And here, you can enter the amount that you want to sell. Once you enter the amount of crypto, right below that, you will see the equivalent amount of money you'll receive. You can even select your local currency. Right now, US dollar is selected. If you tap on it, you will see a list of currency that you can choose from. Select your preferred currency and tap on continue. Now, you need to log into the trading account at Coinify. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account over here. Tap on create new account. Select personal or corporate account. Provide your email address. Set a password. Once you're done, tap on this create account button. It'll send you a verification code in your email. Check your email. Copy the code from here and paste it over here and tap on continue. And once everything is verified, you will be able to withdraw money into your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can withdraw your money from Zengo wallet into your bank account. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.